Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Are you wondering what's going on with the Hernando County real estate market? Is it up? Is it down from last year? Well, in this video, I'm going to be taking a look and showing you what actually happened in the month of February 2026, and we're going to break it all down for you. Well, if you happen to be new here, my name is Shayne Howland. I've been a realtor since 2001. YouTube channel showmefloridahomes.com, where we're going to be taking a look at real estate market data for Hernando County, Florida, here on the beautiful West Coast. And as of this video, I'm going to show you what the active listings are looking like. We are going to be looking at sales data for last month, being February 2026, median pricing, days on market, market trends, and more. So without further delay, let's get right into it. Okay, here we are in my MLS account, so let's get started at taking a look at the real estate market data. We're using Flex MLS, which is the system utilized by the Hernando County Board of Realtors here in Hernando County. There's actually a couple different systems that are used here in the area, or commonly used here in the area, but for the purpose of this video, we're using Flex. If you happen to be new here, maybe not familiar with where Hernando County is, you can see right here on the map. Let me blow this up a little bit. We're basically west of Orlando by about an hour and a half, north of Tampa by about 45, 55 minutes, give or take. South of Citrus County. Okay, great place to watch sunset right here at Bayport. Check out the beach here in Pine Island. So first, we're going to take a look at the active listings. Right now in the county, 919 active listings according to the system. As of today, this is March 4th. There are 26 active under contracts. And as of right now for February, pending contracts are 204 pending contracts in the county. Okay, now I'll take you to some graphs that Flex MLS provides here in our system and a market summary that they provide. This, of course, is the Hernando County Flex MLS system. It's for all types of residential homes, including single-family residences, manufactured, mobiles, villas, so on and so forth. Okay, so right now we'll see what this is a snapshot. As of the middle of the month, this number does differ from the number we just went over a minute ago. But this is a snapshot as of the middle of the month. It's 1247. In red here, the new listings. We had 321 new listings. Okay. And then right here, there were 188 sold listings. Okay. Moving along to the listing prices. Active median list price in blue, 337.9, and you can see it's gone up. It has gone up. The active median list price has gone up since March of last year, because it was at 320. I'm sorry, hang on. It was at, oh my goodness, 325. Now we're at 337.9. New median list price in red. Now, as of February, 323,520. Okay, you can see there's been peaks and valleys, but that new median list price has also gone up from 314.9. In orange, we've got the sold median sales price. All right, sold median. This is one people like to pay attention to. It's one I certainly pay attention to. 307,240. Right, the median sold median sales price 307,240, and then going back to March was 325.5. So it is down from what it was in March. Moving along, now we're going to take a look at the absorption rate. And the absorption rate is basically how long it would take to sell off current inventory if nothing else new came onto the market. And like last month, it is on a decline. It is continuing down in a downward trend, okay? And right now, it is sitting on 4.14 months. Going back last month, it was 4.22. Now 4.14. Over here, it was back to March rather, it was 4.4 months. Now 4.14. So it has been on a downward trend. And if there is a downward trend taking place, and if it keeps going like this and the supply drops, you could see prices pushing back up. So are you going to wait to buy a house, or are you going to do it now? That's what you have to ask yourself. Okay, the sold to list price ratio. Now, sold to list price ratio, 92.6, okay, which is down a little bit from what it was, 93.1 last month, rather in January, because this is for February. And then going back to March, it was 95.1. So the sold to list price ratio, so 92.6, okay? Moving along, days on market have bumped up, no doubt about it. They have bumped up since January. So right now, days on market are sitting at 94.4. And if we go back to March, you can see it's basically at 65 point right now. So running just a little over 3 months. Pricing volume, I don't pay attention, a whole lot of attention to. The new list volume, all these numbers, I don't pay attention to these a whole lot. So now let's go on down here and take a look at a line item report that they have in here. And you see your absorption rate that we just discussed, 4.14. And then going back a year, it has not really changed that much. I mean, look at those numbers. It has not changed that much. But again, it's on a downward trend right here. Median list price currently $337,900. And then going back a year, it was at $325,000. So the median list prices are higher now than they were. Prices appear to be continuing to go up. Average sales price, $325,086. And then February of last year, $316,780. Median. This is one that I really like to pay attention to. $307,240. A year, $313,850. That's a change of negative 2.11%. And in my eyes, that's not that big of a change. And it has basically stayed stable. That is what I've been seeing. The market is basically stable. Average days on market have changed. There's no doubt about it. 94 days running 94 days on the market, showing right here for February as an average, and then 57 a year ago. And then if you want to look at the median days on market, there were 63 currently, and then 37 a year ago. Okay, here's where I give you a little more detailed information regarding the sales data for Hernando County. So 2026, we're going to see that as of today is March, so we're into March already. But as of the snapshot, as of today for the snapshot, as of basically the end of the month, we're 919 listings. Total all residential solds per MLS. This does not include lot sales. 182, which was up from 145 last month. Total sold Hernando County single family homes, 161, which was up from 127 last month. The median price currently, as of last month, I should say, $320,000, which is up from $314,990. So it really does go back and forth, up and down kind of thing for that median price, but it basically has stayed for the most part mostly level. The median price per square foot, 184. Average days on market running at 85 for this category, single family homes. And then the most expensive sale, people seem to like this information, $850,000. Now, total sold
within the category of manufactured/mobile homes. There's two different categories in the system. I put them together. There was 18 properties sold. The median price in this category, these two categories, $164,000, which was up from $153,900 last month. The median price per square foot sitting at $132, and the average days on market at 132 days. Most expensive sale within these two categories was $277,000. Highest days on market between all three of these categories being single family home and manufactured/mobile homes, 484 days.
Well, if you are thinking of making a move to Hernando County, and maybe you'd like a free list of homes sent to your email with no cost, no obligation, whether you are interested in new construction homes, existing homes, pool homes, manufactured homes, homes in 55 plus communities, acreage properties, or even foreclosures and distress sales, feel free to visit my website, ShayneHowland.com, anytime. And if you'd like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can absolutely ask me in the comments or reach out to me anytime. Like, subscribe, reach out to me anytime if I can ever help you. Shayne Howland, Horizon Palm Realty Group. ShowMeFloridaHomes.com is my YouTube channel. ShayneHowland.com is my website. Thanks so much for watching. Have an awesome day.